Remains of tinware. Metallographic sample preparation and microstructure observation. This experiment involves tinware remnants unearthed from a sunken ship site with tiny dimensions approximately 2 mm. Moreover, due to long-term seawater corrosion, the texture is uneven and the structure is fragile. A standardized preparation process for tiny, corroded metal cultural relics is needed to obtain a clear and authentic microstructure, laying the foundation for subsequent archaeological and materials science analyses. To overcome the difficulties caused by the small size and corrosion of the sample, it is prepared into a standard sample using the ultraviolet curing embedding method with the specific steps as follows. Place the sample in a transparent silicone mold and use Truly TJ2400 photocurable adhesive for pouring and embedding. Then it is placed in an ultraviolet curing machine for 60 seconds of irradiation. Form a cylindrical mounting sample with a diameter of 30 mm that is easy to hold. Grinding. Fix P2500 and P4000 silicon carbide-backed sandpapers on the ADPSA conversion disc in sequence, and adhere to the chassis of the magnetic polishing machine. Applying paraffin wax to the surface of sandpaper increases lubricity and reduces the embedding of media into the sample. The mounted sample was automatically ground under a constant pressure of 15 N for 2 minutes until the surface scratches are uniform and fine, laying a smooth foundation for polishing. Rough polishing. 0.05 micrometers. Alumina polishing liquid is used as the polishing medium, together with ET polishing cloth. This step aims to completely remove the scratches left by grinding. Fine polishing. 50 nanometers silica suspension is used as the polishing medium, combined with ZN polishing cloth. Perform the final chemical mechanical polishing. Finally, a lossless, smooth, mirror-like sample surface is obtained, meeting the requirements for high magnification microscopic observation. The prepared samples were observed under a metallographic microscope. Surface quality inspection. Inspection under bright field illumination 200. There are no visible scratches on the surface of the sample, indicating that the sample preparation is successful and meets the standards for metallographic structure observation. Microstructure characterization. By switching to the polarized light mode, the microstructure of tin can be clearly observed. It can be observed that the grain size is generally large, and most of the grain morphologies show obvious elongated shapes extending along specific directions. Inference of organizational causes. The above elongated grain morphology is a typical feature in the process of metal plastic deformation or thermal processing, highly consistent with the formation mechanism of twin structures. Based on this, a preliminary inference is made. This morphology is likely derived from the production of artifacts such as hot forging after casting, or the heating and mechanical deformation experienced during use. This result provides a key material science basis for revealing the processing history of the tinware.
Trojan. Discover the truth of material.